In this lesson, we're going to look at how to read chord diagrams and how to create something on your own. Now, chord diagrams are just a way of writing down a description of where to put your fingers to make chords. And they're very useful, actually. A lot of sheet music has even the chord diagrams written above the notes to help the guitar player. So let's go ahead and take a look. Here I have a blank piece of paper, and I'm going to create a rectangle. Let's see how I can do. Drawing's my strength. Okay, that'll be my rectangle. So now I'm going to draw 4 lines in that rectangle. So what I've ended up with is what looks like a box, but it's meant to depict the 6 strings of the guitar. Now I'm going to draw 2 more lines vertically. Did I say that right? Horizontally. Those horizontal lines, did I say that right? Those are meant to be the frets. So what we're going to do is put a dot where we want to put our fingers and indicate which finger to use. So I'll start off with that C chord that we just learned. Remember that I'm fingering the C chord with my first finger on the guitar on the 2nd string, 1st fret. So this is going to be the 1st fret, and we're counting from here. So this is the 2nd string right here. I'm going to put a dot right there. That now indicates I put my finger on that 1st fret of the 2nd string. Now remember also, we don't want to hit the low 3 strings of the guitar. To indicate that, we put little X's. I'll show you. Like that. I usually put little zeros to indicate, so nobody thinks I made a mistake. They know that's meant to be open. So those strings are meant to be played open. And then finally, I'll often indicate a number to remind whoever's reading this what finger to use. So I'm going to put a 1 right there. See, between those zeros, I put a 1. That means you're going to use your first finger. So now this is basically a chord diagram. To finish it off, we'd want to label it. There. I labeled it a simple C. All in all, this is just a picture of the guitar neck, the first 3 frets, the 6 strings, and I showed where I was putting my finger with a dot right here, and the numbers above to indicate the first finger here, to play these 3 strings, 2 of them are open, 1 on each side, and not to play these low 3 strings. So that's pretty much all there is to chord diagrams, and we'll use them from time to time as you learn new chords.